How to start a keto diet. Ketogenic diet, also known as keto diet. Recently, keto diet became quite popular these days. First, let's understand what is the ketogenic diet. Ketogenic or keto diet regimen is a term for a low-carb diet plan similar to the Atkins diet regimen. It is thought that you get more calories from protein and fat and less from sugars. This includes low-carb, high-protein diet, which can help to lose weight and offer many health benefits. Proven studies have shown that ketogenic diets can also benefit against diabetes patients, cancer, Alzheimer's disease, and many more. These are the proven benefits of a keto diet. However, you should always take some ideas and suggestions about keto from a doctor. The keto diet depends on what you eat and in what quantity. A keto diet is a low-carb diet plan, excellent high healthy protein, a higher fat diet that can assist you to shed fat much more efficiently. A ketogenic diet usually limits carbs to 20 to 50 grams each day of daily meals. For instance, those who don't know exactly what the keto-friendly low-carb diet is. A low-carb diet suggests that you eat fewer carbs as well as a higher percentage of fat. This can additionally be called a low-carb, high-fat diet plan or keto diet plan. Digestive meals and cutting out carbs may be a better start for a ketogenic diet. Here is the basic food you need to include in the keto diet: meat, fish, eggs, vegetables, low-carb fruits. You'll need to watch on fruits because some can have quite high sugar web content. Sugar is what your body is used to making use of for fuel. Foods you need to avoid throughout keto diet regimen: sugar and also high starchy foods like pasta, bread, starchy veggies, potatoes, beans, etc. Consume when you're hungry and stop when you're satisfied. It can be that simple. You do not need to count calories or evaluate your food. Disclaimer: whoever's suffering from these three situations, they should not include any of this method without consulting doctors. People who are taking medication for high blood pressure, breastfeeding person, medication for diabetes. If you're not in any of those groups and don't have any other extreme persistent clinical problems, you're good to go. After choosing your meal for keto, you always have to track how much food you are taking in. Here is one way to track your food, is how much you should eat daily. Eating on a keto diet, you need to check and adjust your progress every few weeks. Accordingly, if you are not seeing the results you want, then you can change the food slightly. Well, yeah, keto has many benefits for the body to stay healthy for the long term, as well as weight loss programs. There are many different ways to start with keto. The most effective method I have found, to begin with, is to be really prominent just by yourself, as well as why you want to make this change. And preparation is the super trick here too. Trust me, if you do not plan, if you are not ready, then you will definitely give up on these plans. In the future, I will make a detailed video about the ketogenic diet. If you really want a keto diet plan, then comment below. I will find some good and healthy ways to start from the beginning. If you liked the video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for daily videos. See you in the next video.